Hi, I'm Kara, and this is the Hamilton Beach Fresh Grind Coffee Grinder. If you're a coffee lover, you know there are really only a couple of secrets to making great coffee: good water and fresh beans. But of course there's a third secret, and that's to keep the beans from losing their flavor by grinding them right when you need them. Listen to it. The Hamilton Beach Fresh Grind Coffee Grinder is quieter than any of the leading competitors. It has stainless steel blades, and you can use it to grind spices as well as coffee. There is a removable grinding chamber, so cleaning up is a snap. There's also easy cord storage, so it won't take up a lot of space when you're not using it. Now that's good thinking.
What keeps us going? What energizes us, revitalizes us, and breathes life into ordinary moments? In a world where there's always something to do, a new responsibility to handle, a new problem to solve, how do you stay grounded? Staying grounded is about making the most of the moments you love. Appreciating the little things that remind you to enjoy life along the way. Life isn't meant to be rushed, and your coffee isn't meant to be hurried. It gives meaning to everyday experiences and fuels you through those stressful moments. That first sip always serves as a reset button. One that makes every situation better, every interaction lighter, and every moment yours. When everything in your life fails, your coffee never should. And with us by your side, we promise it never will.